Right, everyone. Today, we are building Curtis a new car wash.
Excuse me, roller coming through.
Sorry, Roley. As I was saying, the car drives in here, the mainframe moves over the car, the brushes spin around to give it a clean and...
Beep, beep. Sorry, I've missed a bit.
Then the clean car will exit the car wash here and drive off.
Ooh, it sounds like great fun. Can I ever go in a car wash?
I don't think so, Muck. You're much too big for it.
That's right, Lofty. The car wash is just for cars and vans.
Sorry, I've got to roll behind you.
Ready for more tarmac, Roley?
Yes, please, Muck.
Okay.
I finished!
Hooray!
No, I've missed a bit.
Roley really likes to do his jobs perfectly, doesn't he?
Sometimes he likes to do them a bit too perfectly.
Bob, I thought my car wash would be up and running by now.
Sorry, Curtis. Roll is still rolling.
It's just that my electric power and water supply are both off. I can't even serve petrol.
Okay, everyone, it's done. The tarmac is flat.
Hooray!
Okay.
Right, we're behind schedule, so we'll need to make up time. Wendy, Leo and Lofty, our first job is to assemble the mainframe and lower it onto these runners.
Yes, Bob.
Leo, you're in charge of connecting the car wash to the water supply.
You got it, Bob.
Wendy, we'll need the control console fitted here.
I'm on it.
Bob, shall I roll the tarmac one more time?
Thank you, Roley, but no. We've got to get going. So, can we... Oh, now what?
Hi, Philip.
Good morning, Curtis.
Curtis, aren't you open yet?
I'm afraid we're a bit behind, Mayor Madison.
But Philip is scheduled to be the first car to drive through the car wash. Isn't that right, Philip?
I do believe that I have that privilege.
See, it's in the diary.
We won't be too long. Can you come back later?
Come back later. But that would make us late for the beekeepers' conference. And if we're late for the beekeepers' conference, we'll be late for the lorry driver's lunch. And if we're late for the lorry driver's lunch, we'll be late for the... Oh!
We'll come back shortly. Drive on, Philip.
Yes, Mom.
At last, one automatic car wash coming up. Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Now that's what I call a proper car wash. Can I open my garage now?
We just have to test it, Curtis. The green triangle is for go, the red square is for stop, and the blue circle is for set.
That's so you can reset the car wash back to the beginning, isn't it, Wendy?
You're right, Lofty. It is. You can also set it to do a test run, which is what I'm doing now.
Curtis, will you start it for us?
I'd be honored to, Bob.
How exciting.
Here's the first rinse.
Oh, that's brilliant.
All working well. The brushes are turning nicely on their axles. Mainframe running smoothly.
What's that? Cleaning foam. It's like shampoo for cars.
And here's the final rinse.
Fantastic! Thanks, everyone. Now I just need to switch my petrol pumps on and I can open for business.
Everybody wait! I think I should roll the tarmac out some more.
Why, Roley?
I might have missed a bit, and there might be bits of tarmac swishing around the car wash.
Oh dear, we wouldn't want that.
They might get up inside the mainframe, and that would break it.
Break the car wash.
All right, all right. Tell you what, Roley, why doesn't Leo do another test run just for you? Then you can watch everything closely, and if there's any loose tarmac, you can roll it out later.
Thanks, Bob.
Leo?
You got it, Bob.
Not too close, Muck.
Okay, green is for go.
Uh-oh, I can see some loose tarmac.
Where?
There, little bits of tarmac next to the drain. I'll just roll them flat.
No, Roley, not while it's running.
I won't be a moment.
Roley, come back!
Whoa! I better reverse.
Roley, watch out! Stop!
Oh no!
Go forward, Roley. Forward.
Whoa!
Back, Roley! Back!
Oh, 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 ow! Oh, oh, oh! Help! Somebody do something!
Oh no!
Don't worry, Roley. We'll soon have you out of there.
Oh no, how did this happen?
It's my fault. I didn't listen. Leo said not to go in when it was running, but I was too busy rolling and I didn't think. Now I've ruined everything. I'm so sorry.
Is there anything we can do, Bob?
Of course there is. Let's get Roley out of that mainframe first.
I can back out, Bob.
Slowly, Roley, slowly. Let's have a look. The brushes have popped out, but that's what they're designed to do. No real damage to the mainframe, but we're going to need another console.
I think 2 Ton left us some spares. I'll take a look.
Good. And we've got to do something about that water.
I'll stop it.
Well, that's one way of doing it. Thank you, Roley. OK, everyone. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Well, that looks a lot better. But will it work?
As long as the mainframe resets itself, we're back in business.
Hooray! As good as new. Now, let's get your petrol pumps working, Curtis.
We're in a hurry, Curtis. We'll drive straight through if that's all right.
How exciting! We're your very first customers.
But they haven't closed their windows.
Mayor Madison, your windows!
Yes, they're electric. Oh, Mr. Bentley, close the window. Hurry!
That's not supposed to happen.
Uh-oh. Press the blue button. That'll reset it, Wendy.
Well, looking on the bright side, at least Philip is clean.
Sparkling, thank you, sir.
Oh, do something, Mr. Bentley.
Oh.
Bob, shall I roll the tarmac one more time?
No!
I've got my first summer camp booking of the season tomorrow night. So, could you build that new shower block next to these bedrooms, please, Bob?
Absolutely, Phil.
Oh, also, I'd like you to build a small, bricked area where I can store all the recycling bins.
No problem. I've already drawn up some plans.
This looks amazing, Bob.
What's summer camp, Wendy?
Well, Muck, during their summer holidays, groups of children stay at campsites to try different activities like hiking or canoeing.
So they'll be sleeping in those bedrooms?
Yes, Scoop. Or camping in tents out here. I loved summer camp when I was a girl.
Oh, it sounds so exciting! Have you been to summer camp, Leo?
A couple of times, and I've been camping with my dad as well.
Right, we're going to focus on the shower block today so Dizzy's concrete can dry overnight.
I can't wait to get mixing.
OK, team. Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Did you earn any badges at summer camp, Wendy?
Oh, I had lots. For hiking, map reading, cooking, electronics.
How do you earn them?
You just have to try new things and follow the rules of the activity.
I'm brilliant at following rules. I bet I'd earn lots of badges. Here we are, then. Out you get, Spring City rockets.
Hi, Uncle Phil.
Hi, Brandon. How's my favourite nephew?
We can't wait for tonight.
What's happening tonight?
Uncle Phil said we could camp out.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'd forgotten I'm taking your Auntie Val out for dinner, Brandon. You'll have to do it another time when I'm here.
What if I looked after them?
Please, Uncle Phil.
OK. Why not?
Yay! Thanks, Uncle Phil.
Oh, do you want to come and see how we're getting on, Phil?
Thanks, Leo.
I'd love to try camping.
Sleep in the girls' tent with us tonight then, Dizzy.
Oh, yes, please, Sappy.
Let's make sure there are no insects in the tent this time, Mila.
Insects? Oh, I don't really like creepy crawlies.
Last time, Sappy found an earwig in her sleeping bag.
Once I caught a spider just before my dad swallowed it in his sleep.
Ugh. Maybe I'll camp with you another time. I've just remembered I've got to, get my wheels oiled tonight. Oh! I wish I was camping with the others. But I really don't like creepy crawlies. But maybe they've got them all out of the tent by now.
Dizzy! Shush, please. I'm trying to sleep.
I'm sorry, Muck. I think I've been a bit silly. I wish I hadn't let those stories about insects put me off camping.
It's too late now.
Is it? What if we both go now?
Hey, you're not going without me.
Yay! Let's all go!
Go on.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no! I think it's going to be sardine sandwiches again tonight, Pilchard.
But what nobody knew is that something strange lurked in the woods.
Then what happens, Leo?
I can see a campfire.
That must be Leo.
It rumbled and grumbled in the darkness. It had eyes so big and bright they could blind you, and a cry so terrifying that it could turn your hair white overnight.
Oh, I don't like the sound of that.
Don't be silly, Muck. put your lights on if you're scared.
Oh. Oh.
Ah!
The creature!
Quick! Everyone get into Betsy!
What if all our hair turns white?
Don't be so silly. And please let go of my hand. Both of you. I was just trying to make you feel safer.
I think we should stay here till the lights have gone.
Shall I hold your hand, Leo?
Stay there. We're going home.
Seatbelts on, everyone. I'm stopping for nothing.
Oh, no! Leo, don't go! Don't leave me here with the creepy crawlies!
Oh.
Oh? Hello? What are you doing here?
Thank goodness we're home.
I was so scared. Were you Dizzy?
Where is Dizzy?
I thought she was behind you.
So did I. We have to go back and look for her.
Not on our own, it's too scary. We'll have to wake Bob up. Bob! Wake up!
Oh, now what?
Wake up!
Bob, we did something silly.
And we've lost Dizzy!
We're really sorry, Dizzy.
We didn't realise you weren't with us until we got back to the yard.
Are you okay, Dizzy?
I'm fine. But he isn't.
Oh, he's hurt his leg. I'll take him to see Tilly the vet first thing. Can you look after him until then, Dizzy?
I'd love to. He's looked after me by eating all the creepy crawlies.
Ew.
Yay!
Yay!
Huh?
How did all that happen?
That might have been us, Bob.
I think we're going to have to come back very early tomorrow. Otherwise, we won't finish in time for Phil's summer camp booking.
Sorry, Bob.
Did you have a nice night's sleep in your cosy bed, Leo?
Everything seems scarier at night.
It was only me scooping Dizzy.
We're really sorry about the mess, Mr. Lucas. We'll put everything right. You'll see.
This looks amazing, Bob. Thank you all for finishing on time.
Hello? Hi, Bob, it's Tilly. Oh, it's the vet. Hi, Tilly. How's the patient?
So much better.
That's wonderful. Thanks, Tilly.
No problem.
Bye.
Bye.
The hedgehog's doing really well thanks to you, Dizzy. Tilly's taking it to a rescue centre, and they'll release it back into the wild as soon as its leg is properly healed.
Brilliant!
Wendy got this for you, Dizzy. It's an animal care badge.
For looking after the hedgehog.
Oh, thank you! Oh, I've got a summer camp badge, even though I've still not been camping.
Well, you're all very welcome to try again tonight.
No! Yes, please!
Oi! Oh, hello, Bob. What are you doing here?
Just making sure you don't all scare yourselves with spooky stories again.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, it's hot. That's hot.